What's going on, everybody? I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time out of your busy day to listen to me represent the Glock 19 Generation 5 and express some of the benefits of this weapon. My name is Giovanni Naples. I'm a weapons specialist consultant for GJ on gun sales. A little bit about myself and our products. I'm a current grad from Youngstown State University, graduated in May 2020, and GJ in gun sales, solely owned and operated, licensed arms dealer, found in 2020 here in Youngstown. My mission statement's relatively simple. Quality, dependability, and safety are your standards, and we're here to provide it to you. So we are actually a Glock Perfection dealer. This is an extensive designation to have and to hold by Glock because there's high standards and high qualifications to hold this specific designations. It's one of the most recognizable in Glock. So let's talk about the Glock 19 Generation 5 and some of its basic features. There's 33 total moving parts. The trigger has 5 to 6.5 pounds of pulling pressure, which is relatively standard within most handheld firearms. And there's high performance slide finish, black melanite NLDC coating. Now, some of the advantages of this slide finish: there's low coefficient of friction, it's improved wear resistance, and there's improved corrosion resistance as well. Now, this also has a benefit because it provides a thinner surface than chrome lining, so bore friction is actually reduced for better accuracy. Now, when you guys want to talk about the trigger pull and how standard it is, the advantages of having a 5 to 6.5 pound trigger pull, you have the ability to perform easier continuous firing without excessive recoil, and that benefit is just increased accuracy. And you can help maintain thoroughly aiming while shooting multiple rounds if needed, especially during target practice and training. So finally, you want to look at 33 total moving parts. The fewer the parts, the less likely something is to break, fail, or even jam. This also enhances the reliability and dependency at all times. So when we look about customers and who I basically sell to, I sell to military and ex-military, police, like your guys' selves, collectors, specialists, gunsmiths, and CCW holders. CCW basically stands for Carrying Concealed Weapon Holders. It's a special license, and I know you guys know all about that. You get it through your local sheriff's office. So when we talk about the marketing and basically what represents the Glock 19 Gen 5, it's a 9x19 caliber design. It's lethal to be up to 50 meters, and it's optimal for self-defense and protection. It's a pretty solid size weapon as well as standard size. So the Tenefer barrel coating, it's optimal for corrosion protection with anti-reflective finish, which makes it never jam. That comes from the corrosion protection. So we're actually going to be holding a demo here at the Youngstown Police Station tomorrow. At the shooting range. You're going to have a great feel for this firearm. You're going to be able to compare it to your current firearm by basically looking at your target practice, the targets you hit, and and so forth. So my suggested plan here for you guys, conjunction after the demo day. The demo day is absolutely free. I come in here, I supply the rounds, supply the Glock 19 Gen 5s. So I want you guys to basically take a look at ordering 12 dozen, 144 Glock 19 Generation 5s. That'll basically cover the vast majority of all your officers. Now, if you're going to a local dealer like Fin, Feather, and Fur and so forth, you'd be looking at roughly $100,000. This also comes from the insurance, the shipping, the legal fees, the taxes. But if you come directly towards me with the Glock 19 Generation 5, ordering 144 or 12 dozen, you're looking at $72,000. So this is basically because I have a direct line of relationship with Glock and so forth. I'm able to get these special benefits and promotions as well. You are saving 34% or roughly $36,000 coming straight through myself. So I want you guys to look forward to tomorrow. We're going to have a great time at the range. I really want you guys to get a feel for this weapon. Feel free to come. I'm going to probably be here from 12:30 to 1:30. Maybe I can extend it to 2 o'clock. I have a pretty light schedule tomorrow. And my contact information is given below. I handed out business cards. Again, guys, quality, dependability, and safety, those are your standards, and that's what I'm here to provide for you. My email's on the business cards as well as my phone number. So I'd like to thank you guys for coming in here today, and I'm looking forward to being here tomorrow as well. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow.